down, shorty, I need to tell this to you.
Hey guys, Marilla here. Welcome back. Today's video is going to be a little makeup review on e.l.f. Cosmetics. We're also going to be playing a little Easter egg game, so when you do find it, make sure to comment down below and don't forget to enjoy the video. I went to the e.l.f. Cosmetics section at Walmart and found a variety of products at a very reasonable price. These are among the products that caught my eye and I really wanted to try them out. First things first, we're gonna start by brushing out our eyebrows and making sure that they're even, making sure they're clean. If you do have a lot of hair and you don't have a lot of time, I do recommend these things that I did mention in one of my previous YouTube videos. I got this from the dollar store. It's Lori brand, and they're basically just shavers. So after you clean your eyebrows and they're all nice and the shape that you want them to be, make sure that you clean the rest of the hair you don't want from your face, unless you do like a little bit of hair in your face, and that's okay. You're beautiful just the way you are. I do like to take a little bit of hair off my face, so this is the before and after me using this, just so you guys see the difference. Next, we're going to be using the Super Hydrating Moisturizing Cream from e.l.f. It comes in this really cute purple container and it is a gel consistency. Next, we're going to be using the Flawless Finish Foundation by e.l.f. in the tone Vanilla. I know some people like to dab this on their little sponges, but I do like to use my hands to make sure that there's foundation every single corner in my face. Next, I'll be using e.l.f.'s Hydrating Camo Concealer in Light Beige just to lighten up the dark circles under my eyes. I know you guys might be like, she doesn't have any dark circles, but trust me, I see them. Get ready to eyebrow, and right now we're using the Instant Lift eyebrow pencil in deep brown. Now we're going to be using e.l.f.'s Matte for Matte palette. It comes with all these beautiful shades, and let's get creative. We're going to proceed to do the eyeliner, and that will be the last step before the contour, and my natural makeup will be done. As to for the last two steps will be to apply the contour and the lip gloss, and we'll be done with today's makeup review. After you're done your makeup, all you have to do is grab the setting spray, spray it on your face, and you're all ready to go. So now for the ratings, for the moisturizing cream, I give it a 9 out of 10, just because it did feel a little bit too heavy on my skin, and I didn't like that it didn't dry fast enough for me to start my makeup. The foundation, I rated it an 8.5 out of 10. Even though I know it looks really nice on camera, but it did not really match my skin tone. The concealer, I rated a 10 out of 10 because it was amazing. It dried super fast, but like it let me blend it in beautifully. Then for the eyebrow pencil, 10 out of 10 again. I love how my eyebrows look. I love the natural look, and that's what I always go for when I goes to my eyebrows. The eyeshadow, a 7.5 out of 10, just because once again my skin tone tends to be a little bit difficult to find the right shades for it, and it wasn't enough pigmentation from the eyeshadow. I wish there was a little bit more to it. For the eyeliner, a 9 out of 10. It looks so amazing. And with other eyeliners that I've used before, they tend to run down, like they're too liquidy. For this one, it was not. It was perfect. Then for the contour, it obviously does not really match my skin tone. As you guys saw, it was a little bit too orange for me. So I did give it a 5 out of 10 for that. And then lip gloss, 10 out of 10, and the setting spray, 10 out of 10 as well. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you want more videos related to makeup, let me know in the comments down below. If you want me to do an actual makeup tutorial, also let me know in the comments down below. If you want me to do anything else, please leave your suggestions in the comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have an amazing day, guys. See you next Sunday. Bye-bye.
Before you go, shorty, I need to tell this to you.